Hello friends, in this video we will study the isomerism present in coordination compounds. Many coordination compounds have isomers. So here we will study the types of isomers. See the diagram. Here coordination compound are mainly of two types, stereoisomers and constitutional or structural isomers. Stereoisomers further again of two types, geometric diastereomers or optical isomers. Optical isomers also termed as enantiomers. And structural isomers or constitutional isomers is of four types, linkage isomer, coordination isomers, ionization isomers and solvent isomers. So one by one we will explain all these types of isomer. Now what is the isomerism? Isomers means some compounds have same molecular formula but different structures are called as isomers. The chemical properties, physical properties such as color, solubility, melting points of isomers are different. So here first type of coordination compound isomer is stereoisomers. Stereoisomers have the same links among constituent atoms. However, arrangement of the atoms in space are different. Means here surrounding the central metal ion ligands are present. The position of ligands around the central metal ion means in a space are different. This gives different types of isomers. Its first type is geometric isomer or diastereoisomer and second is a enantiomer. So we'll see first number geometric isomers or diastereoisomers. Geometric isomers are non-superimposable mirror image of each other. So such isomers are of two types depending upon the same ligands present on same side or different opposite side of the central metal ion. It is of two types, cis types of compound and trans types of compound. Cis isomers means the identical or same groups or ligands have a arrangement on same side of central metal ion. And trans isomers means the identical ligands present on opposite sides of central metal ion. Cis and trans isomers have different properties. So see examples, cis trans isomers in square planar complexes means having coordination number 4. See the example PT NH3 by 2 Cl2. Here 4 ligands, from these 2 ligands are ammonia and 2 are chlorine. So here cis isomer, here both the chlorine and ammonia are present on same side. In trans isomer, chlorine atoms are on opposite side of central metal ion and ammonia are on opposite side. Similarly, second example, PtCl2H2O NH3. Here chlorine are of same ligands present on same side, so it is a cis isomer. And in second, Cl are on opposite side, so it is a trans isomer. We can see more examples of cis trans type with a coordination number 6. See cis trans isomers in octahedral complexes means having coordination number or ligancy 6. See first example, cis and trans isomers. Here chlorine atoms are present on same side, so it is a cis isomer. And in second, chlorine are on opposite side of central metal ion, so it is a trans isomer. Also, second example, cis isomer and trans isomer are present. Second type of stereoisomer is optical isomer, that is a enantiomer. The complex molecules or ions that are non-superimposable mirror image of each other are called as enantiomers. And these mirror images, non-superimposable mirror images are chirals, means here chiral atoms are present. Enantiomers have identical properties, but they are differ with each other due to their responses to the PPL light, means plane polarized light. The enantiomer which rotates on right side in a plane polarized light, it is a clockwise, that is a Leo isomer, and second which is rotates the plane to left side called as the anti-clockwise is a Leo isomer. See the example of optical isomers. Here first is a dextro isomer and second is a Leo isomer. Next type is a structural isomers or constitutional isomer. This is the second main type of coordination compound isomer. Structural isomers possesses different types of linkage among the constituent atoms. Means the linkage in between ligands and central metal ions are different. Here constitutional isomers are of four types or classified in four types: linkage isomers, ionization isomers, coordination isomers, and solvent isomers. See first, linkage isomer. These isomers are formed when the ligand has two different donor atoms. It coordinates to the metal via different donor atoms. Means here in a same ligand, two atoms can donate the electron. So see example, CONH3 by 5 Na2 2 plus, and second is a CONH3 by 5 ONO 2 plus. Both are having same molecular formula, but in a first isomer, the bond in between ligand and central metal ion is in between cobalt and nitrogen, and in second molecule the bond is in between cobalt and oxygen of NO2 group. So in this way same molecular formula is present, but the coordinate bond in between ligand and central metal ion is different, that is the linkage is different. So such isomers are called as linkage isomers. Again, second type is a ionization isomer. Ionization isomer involves the exchange of ligands between coordination and ionization sphere. Coordination sphere means inside the square bracket and ionization sphere means outside the coordination sphere. See the example, CONH3 by 5 SO4 Br, and second example is CONH3 by 5 Br SO4. So in both the example you can see, in first example SO4 is present in coordination sphere and bromine present in ionization sphere, means outside the coordination sphere. And in second type, bromine is present in coordination sphere and SO4 outside the coordination sphere. When this coordination compound ionized, we will get first CONH3 by 5 SO4 Br gives two ions, that is anion and cation. CONH3 by 5 SO4 plus means cation and Br anion. In the second molecule we will get CONH3 by 5 Br 2 plus cation and SO4 2 negative anion. So in this way such a compounds or coordination molecules which when ionized to give different types of ions, that is cation and anion, but having same molecular formula are called as a ionization isomers. Third type is coordination isomers. Coordination isomers shows interchanging of ligands between cationic and anionic pairs of different metal ions. Means in this type of compounds two central metal ions are present. You can see the example, CONH3 by 6, CrCN by 6. So here in first example CONH3 by 6 is cation and CrCN6 is anion. And in second example you see CrNH3 by 6, COCN by 6. So here central metal ions having exchanging their ligands. So such a compounds which are having same molecular formula but different structures due to the changing position of the ligands are called as coordination isomers. And now last type of isomer is solvent isomer. It is also like a ionization isomer. Here the isomers are hydride isomer when water is solvent is present there. See, the two isomers are there, CrH2O6 Cl3 and its isomer is CrH2O by 5 Cl Cl2 H2O. Here in a first molecule 6 water molecules are present inside the sphere, but in a second example 5 water molecules are present inside the molecule and 2 chlorine and 1 water molecule is present outside. Means here also there is an exchange of ions in between coordination sphere and outside the coordination sphere. Such isomers are called as a solvent isomers. Thank you.